Hey, what is happening? This is Linus and this is Fiido X. So the key features of this e-bike include a nice foldable frame. It also has a code unlock system, a torque sensor, hydraulic disc brakes, and either a 250 watt or a 350 watt rear hub motor. In this video, I wanted to take a look at the key features, pros and cons of this e-bike so we can make a better buying decision. The bike comes in a pretty standard looking box and it arrived without any transportation damage thanks to a good amount of padding. Inside the box you get everything you need to get started, including a charger, pedals, a set of tools, some paperwork, and a set of mudguards that I chose not to install to preserve the awesome design of this e-bike. First of all, let's talk about the key specs. The bike has 20-inch tires, Shimano 7-speed gear system, and hydraulic disc brakes. There are 250 and 350 watts rear hub motor models available. I have the more powerful version. The speed is limited to 25 kilometers or 15.5 miles per hour, but you can unlock it up to 32 kilometers or 19.2 miles per hour. However, the unlocking possibility may vary on the controller the bike ships with. The official claim is that 417.6 watt-hours battery assures up to 110 kilometers or 68 miles range on a single charge. The 250 watt model's range is up to 130 kilometers or up to 80.7 miles. The Fiido X is designed to be road legal in the EU and it complies with all the requirements. That's why it does not have a throttle. Instead, it uses a pretty accurate torque sensor that I'll talk about later in this video. Design is one of the key selling points of the Fiido X. The bike looks sleek and modern, and its build quality is top-notch. It uses a magnesium alloy frame, everything is precisely assembled, there are no rattling parts, and out of the box, the Fiido X gives you an impression of a premium bike. This color also looks really good, and it does not attract fingerprints or smudges like matte black paint finish that's used on many e-bikes. The e-bike weighs just 19.8 kilograms, it is very compact and low-key, and it has a load capacity of 120 kilograms. The X can be folded and unfolded in just a few moments, and it easily stands on the ground when folded. Besides, the built-in strong magnets keep the bike together, which is super important in avoiding transportation damage. Another highlight, a unique anti-theft battery security system. First, you need to turn on the battery power by pressing the key and make sure that the latch is fully closed. Otherwise, you will have no power. Then, you need to use the code to be able to use the bike. Turn the bike off using the main LCD and you will need to put the password again. Second, the battery, which is integrated into the seat post, can also be removed only with a password. While some users prefer a simple key, I think this is a really nice and useful feature. You simply avoid the extra hassle by not needing to carry the key. Further, this 2-in-1 battery seat post can be adjusted to a pretty ridiculous height to tailor taller riders. Just make sure to follow the minimum and maximum insert points. You can charge the battery while it is inside the frame or take it out for convenient charging at home. Keep in mind that the handlebar height is not adjustable, but I found the height to be just fine for me. For reference, my height is about 170 centimeters. The bike LCD is quite simple, but it has a nice backlight and it allows you to choose from 3 power assist levels or turn off the power if you want to use the Fiido X as a regular bicycle. You can also quickly switch between kilometers and miles, see the current trip and the odometer, and control the lights. Other key features, there is a USB port for charging your phone, I found a metal-made kickstand to be robust, and you can adjust the angle of the handlebar. The front LED light is not the most powerful I've seen, but it is enough to illuminate the road in front of you. It's integrated into the frame, which means that it will stay in place when you turn the handlebar. The rear light is nice and bright, but there is no integrated brake light. Lastly, here is a quick sound test of a mechanical bell that is loud enough to give notice to pedestrians. The overall riding experience is very good. I found the saddle to be pretty comfy, the bike is stable and smooth to ride, and it's highly maneuverable due to its low weight. On paper, 350 watts of power do not sound much, but combined with a highly accurate torque sensor, you can immediately feel the power and riding is pretty much effortless on flat terrain. When it comes to riding uphill, you'll need to do a little bit of exercising, but you can definitely feel the power of the motor, so you may not even break the sweat. The torque sensor is very accurate and it senses the amount of pressure you put into pedaling, so there are no sudden jerky motor power changes like on e-bikes with cadence sensors that use magnets. The handlebar grips are very comfortable, the Shimano branded gears shift very smoothly, the brake levers are smooth and easy to press, and hydraulic disc brakes are highly effective. They stop the bike in no time and there is no squeaking noise while braking. Overall, the Fiido X is a comfortable and smooth to ride bike. Battery lasts a long time. 110 or 130 km range is achievable only on flat roads though. On the other hand, I was able to get about 90 km on a single charge with a little bit of uphill riding, which is very good result, close to the official claim. Charging time is about 7 hours, so you need to plan ahead. Overall, the Fiido X is a really nice compact city e-bike. While it's not cheap as it currently retails for about $1,600 US, the build quality, the choice of components, and the riding experience immediately show this is a premium e-bike. The only flaws I could mention include the lack of an active brake light, and integration of the front light into the frame is not always practical, but it's part of the design, and lastly, I would prefer an electric horn, but the mechanical bell serves the purpose. Well, these are just minor flaws and I can't really name any deal breakers for this vehicle. The Fiido X is one of the nicest looking e-bikes. It is very light and compact and easily foldable. I like the battery anti-theft system, the range is very good, the torque sensor is very accurate, the hydraulic disc brakes are highly effective, and the bike is comfortable to ride for hours. All things considered, the Fiido X is a high-quality e-bike with exceptional looks and some unique features, and I can easily recommend it as one of the best lightweight foldable e-bikes. Overall, Fiido X is a really nice and compact e-bike, but tell me in the comment section down below, would you buy this e-bike or would you choose an alternative option? So tell me in the comment section down below what you think. Also like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you want to see more videos like this, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.